During the warmer months, there's nothing better than waking up to a nice plate of fruit or a bowl of fruit for breakfast. So let's get into this. I'm going to start off by slicing my papaya. I have my papaya sliced, so I'm going to go ahead and take it over to the sink. I'm going to lightly scrape out all of the seeds, clean it up a bit, bring it back to the cutting board. I'm going to go ahead and just cut the end off because that is kind of not as ripe as I would want it to be. And this is a bit not as ripe either. So I'm going to go ahead and cut right down the middle. Take my papaya like this and just run it along like that. And when I get to about here, what I do is I usually just put my fingers right here and then pull up. All right, I have one banana. Just kind of go in an angle. For this, I have a couple of small apples. I'm only going to use one because I already have the papaya, banana, and I'm going to be adding some berries. The apple's peeled, so I'm just going to slice it up. I don't have to do anything to my blueberries but rinse them. They're already rinsed. And I'm just going to set them on the side where the apples are. I do have a lemon here that I'm going to slice for my papaya. Some people like lime for their papaya or lemon. It doesn't matter, whatever you have on hand, just to give it that little bit of citrusy taste. It brings out a lot of flavor. Slice the ends off like this. Go down the middle. And then I'm going to go ahead and just get a thin slice right off the side. You can use whatever yogurt you like, whatever favorite yogurt you love, or whatever suits your dietary needs. But this is what I'm going with right here. This is 0 sugar, and this is just what I'm going for. It's 60 calories and it's 0 sugar, so it doesn't get better than that for me. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to my bowl. I always just give it a nice stir. Get this stuff off here. I have some leftover crushed almonds. These are unsalted. I'm just going to go ahead and add a bit to my yogurt just for some crunch and extra flavor. Not too much, just enough. For the video, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze some lemon on here. And show you how it's done. On a warm summer morning or an afternoon that's beginning to heat up, or even a hot summer night, this is delicious. And you could have it any time of the year. Make it, you're gonna love it, and I'll see you in my next video.